So I'm going to share a couple different things that I do that I find very, very simple and very beneficial at the same time. This book I have here, you can't see it, but it is called The Root of Chinese Qigong, Secrets for Health, Longevity, and Enlightenment by Dr. Yang Jing Ming. Probably not saying that right, but here it is. Some really good stuff in here. I'm going to say through the Spirit that a lot of these techniques and this understanding and the development of a lot of this, Qigong has a really interesting history, but I'm going to say through the Spirit that, this Jake was in a lot of different places, right? And we were, I think, developing a lot of different things. I believe this is one of those different things. There's a lot of really other interesting parts of history around the world that you can go into that come from Jake. There's ninjas in Japan. There's Buddhas in the Far East. You look at the Buddhas and you see the twists in their hair, the Buddha statues. I don't want to get too far off topic, but let me pull a photo of that up. Buddha statues. You can see that it's Jake hair, right? See the hair? So you can get a better picture. Those curls and those twists, that's our hair. Same thing here. That's hair. That is our hair. Let me see if I can find a equivalent. Come on, get out of here. Where is hair like this? There you go. You see his hair? Same kind of look as a statue. You can see it here if you look closer. Up top. This is a really good one. It's much clearer now. You can kind of see, right? Same thing on the statue. But I'm getting a little bit too far off. Let me pull up the book just so you all can see it. Yep, there it is. This one right here. All right, so there you have it. And this is from page 112. Suggested procedures for relaxation exercise. Bring your mind to your Shen. Your Shen is a reference to your soul. Relax your body with a few comfortably deep breaths. Normally, most people can do this easily. So deep breathing. Next, bring your mind from outside your body to your upper dantian. That's your third eye, right in the middle of your forehead, where your Shen resides. So bring your attention and your thoughts there. I do this generally with my eyes closed, while breathing deeply at the same time. When your mind is on your Shen, your spirit will be centered, and your thoughts generated by outside distractions will start to disappear. Your mind will now be able to concentrate on feeling your body. Another point, relax your mind. When you concentrate your attention on relaxing your mind, you will find that your mind stays tense. You have to relax it by moving the focus of your consciousness away from your mind. One of the best ways is to pay attention to your breathing. So again, focusing on the breath. Feel and sense your middle dantian, which is your solar plexus. Move your mind to the middle dantian, which is the center and residence of your fire chi. Feel the physical location of your solar plexus and sense the chi there. Remember, fire chi stimulates the emotional mind and emotional feelings and increases tension. When you move your mind to your middle dantian, you'll be able to feel what is happening with your fire chi. So it gives you a greater sort of awareness in what's going on with your body. Don't worry too much about chi and all of these other terms. The more and more you practice this, the more intuitively you'll start to understand what is going on and how things are moving within your body, and you'll be able to relax more deeply. The terms are just ways to describe what is going on, but as Israelites, this is all things that we have been practicing for any number of thousands of years, and particularly in our early incarnations, right? When everything sort of just worked with our bodies, we were doing a lot of this stuff naturally. Most of you will probably even recognize that a lot of these different things you did naturally as a kid or as a child, and as you grew up, you started to do these different things less and less. But I found that was sort of a very interesting realization that I had, that a lot of the different techniques for relaxation or improving circulation or energy flows or chi flows within the body were all things that I did naturally as a child. And I think pretty much all Israelites do those naturally as a child, and then as we grow up and we sort of get indoctrinated into the Western culture and the Western mindset, and we're sitting in a classroom for X number of hours a day, eating garbage food and so on and so forth, our bodies start to lose all of those good habits that were meant to restore and to heal our bodies. So once you've accomplished and started doing some of these different exercises to relax your mind and relax your body, that's when you can start thinking. It's a good point to start thinking upon the scriptures. So oftentimes what I'll do is I'll just pick one that's kind of top of my mind and start to think about that while I'm breathing very deeply. I might do it while just sitting down, sort of cross-legged, hands in my lap. Sometimes I'll do it while just laying down on my back. That also works well. Although if I do that while I'm tired, then sometimes there's always a risk that you might fall asleep. So depending on what you want to accomplish, you may choose one or the other of those positions. There are other positions as well, but those are just kind of a couple that come to mind. So I will wrap it up there. Try some of those things out. Let me know what you think. And good luck. Shalom.